Hey, this is Dry. How to make yourself dream about something, or is it actually to recall your dreams? So, to make clear, every single person that dream more or less 5 dreams per night, unless you have some illness. So, how do you recall these dreams in the morning when you wake up? First of all, you go to bed, set intention. Something like the last thought will be uh, when I woke up I will remember my dreams. When I woke up I remember my dreams, something along those lines. So you woke up and you don't move at all. Don't open the eyes. If you open, close it. And don't focus. The more you try to focus, remember your dream, the less likely you will actually remember. So let it flow. Ask yourself, what was I just dreaming about? What pay attention. Do you see any image, like in the blackness, what you in the front of you? What the feelings you have? So let's say now I just do all these activities. I see, oh, there's this zombie. Oh, so I got to be dreaming about zombies. And then what next? Oh, I see a lorry. Oh, so I was dreaming about lorry. Oh, perhaps I see the lorry is riding and the zombies is chasing this lorry. So that was my dream. Let's say, actually it was my dream, but well. And the key is, how do I obviously once you got the dream, you go through the dream, like in your visualize in the while your eyes are closed. You go through the dream, and then most people, what I used to do as well, then I straight away go and write down the dream. But the funny part is, after like 1 week I don't remember I had this dream. So I read the text, but I cannot actually see in my head that I had this dream. Once then I read this audiobook about the quantum memory. You can find more in the description if you want to learn. The idea is something like, so I got this dream. In the morning I recall, and I have a key image. The key image is a zombie, for example, this dream. I already had set of the journey. For example, how I remember my dreams. During the day I can remember like what did I dream about today. I can do that. I can do that by remembering, like, I walk out of my house. The first thing I see is the one. That's like my first key image. Then I see front garden of the neighbor. So when I woke up to this one, I imagine there's a zombie inside this van. So in order to remember a dream, for most people, they need this key image so they can remember the dream. So in order to remember this key image, I did like 5 seconds visualizing the white one and the zombie inside the white one, or on the top or somewhere touching this one. Now, whenever I decide to remember a dream, all I have to do is remember this one, which is easy because that is something I walk out of the house, I see every single day. I remember the one, I look around the one in my memory, of course, in my like visualizer. I see this zombie. Oh, so this is the key image of my dream. So I must be dreaming about zombie. What do I see? Oh, I suddenly see the lorry. The lorry is driving and zombie is chasing this lorry. Oh, this was my dream. So I know my dream, and I can remember all my sensations as well. So that's quite important. So I can set how many, like next one is front garden. The other day I was dreaming about the church. So imagine a church in front of the garden. So that's the key image of the church, and then I can walk out through my full image. If it doesn't make really sense, listen the audiobook in the description, Quantum Memory. It will explain very more details and it works wonders. I don't need to write my journal, and it's like maximum 10 seconds and I got the dream all in my head. Isn't that more quicker than writing a journal? Hey, I hope you liked the video. If you did, like it, comment it. And by the way, would you like to work with me? For example, if you lucid dream and you like self-development, and also if you like travel, hit me up. There's contact details in the description. You might or might not be open to this project I'm working on. If you do, does it sounds, is it feels right and resonate with you, contact me.